change from Lady Mister to Lady Dream, you feel me? Yo, I'm in there, troublemaker.
Beautiful black queen.
Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man, in spite of them, like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana goggle, banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the gadago. Girl say she pretty but you know them nah. Me say daggle them fi daggle them fi daggle them. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come aisle back, me say come do your thing. I live it smelly and I will bring the bring. Some girl them a talk but them can't do what. And me say gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Deep throat, girl them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man spider them like a fool, them a jackal like a toad. Them a jackal, them a jackal, them a jackal. Banana throat, girl gaggle them a gaggle. Yo, rewind and come again, wanna say see later. Yeah. I'm change from Lady Mister to Lady Dream, you feel me?
That we are telling me, see now.
Yo,
Yo,
I'm in there,
yeah.
I'm the troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle.
Stop at the laugh, man. Stop. Damn, I'm trying to try not to laugh. Come on, man, stop it, man. I want to know I look pretty whether I bleach or whether I don't bleach. Black is beauty, and that's how my natural color looks without no cream. So why not show the beauty of a black woman and not only bleach? So sometimes I can go dark if I want anytime and go light the next minute. And that's the good product. So you go ahead, people. Love you. Wanna buy the song? Some people are buy already, but buy more. Come on. We don't wanna reach over yet.
I'm trying to Mr. to Lady Dream. Yo, I'm in there.
Troublemaker. Yeah.
Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana them a goggle, banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the gadago. Girl say she pretty but you know them nah. Me say goggle them, fi goggle them, fi goggle them, fi goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come aisle back, me say come do your thing. All the affectionately and I would have bring the sing. Some girl them a talk but them girl them a. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. And smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle.
Right in the world. Sorry about that. Ow. Black is always beauty, honey. Think you all on time. You can't get no bleaching cream. You're gonna go right back to Mother Nature like this. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna make a lace front again.
I'm change from Lady Mister to Lady Dream, you feel me?
I'm gonna make it real much.
Yo, I'm in there. I'm troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana goggle, banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the gadago. Girl say she pretty but you know they nah. Me say goggle the fi goggle, ya the goggle the fi goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come aisle back, me say come do your thing. All the fetch smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but them and them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle, them a
goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Throat girl, tell me what you find. Catch enough man, I your damn bad mind. Yes, you want stop me all the time, but right now me say them no call it dying. Gyal a swallow and she can't get a kind. Kick up every day and them can't bother mine, but I goggle them a goggle. Gyal inna me face like a me she want tackle. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat gyal them a goggle, them a goggle. And smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a fi take set. Google in them throat and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When me attack and them getting upset, them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat gyal a goggle, goggle, goggle. Like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the goggle. Girl said them pretty, but you know them not happy. Me say goggle, them they goggle, them they goggle. Rewind and come and watch it, no, time again. Don't watch it, no, time again, man. Yeah, so me say change it, girl. Aye, yes. Aye, body broke out here. Hey, yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat gyal them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat them a play the goggle. Gyal say they happy but you know they not. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come go there, me say come farm the ring. Come aisle back and me say come do your thing. And eventually another tapper they bring. Some gyal them a talk but them can't them a. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Don't worry your way, them a goggle, them a goggle. Don't worry your way, them a goggle, them a goggle. Why? Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Throat gyal, tell me what you find. Catch enough man, are your damn bad mind. If you want stop me like stop me all the time, but right now, bitch, you don't get that time. Tell you what this swallow if you want to make a dime. Kick up your belly and then rewind and come again. Rewind selector. Mash up the place in the end. Why?
I'm change from little music to
little dream. I'm pepper morning.
I'm troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat gyal them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat them a play the goggle. Gyal say they pretty but you know they not. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come aisle back, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some gyal them a talk but they can't come up. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat gyal them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat gyal goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Google na your throat gyal, tell me what you find. Catch enough man, are your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time, but right up me head, them a call it time. If I tell her fella and she can't get a kind, kick up the radio and them damn bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a me she want it goggle. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl them a goggle them a goggle. Man spider them a like a fool them a goggle them a goggle them a goggle them a goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a fit accept. Short and that is a mess. One man come and another one left. When me get talk, the one of them a mess. Say goggle, banana short girl, goggle. Like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a show, them a play the goggle. Girl say them pretty, but you know they now happen. Me say goggle, them big goggle. Why? Come goody, me say come farm the ring. Me wine and come again, no man. Do it again, man. Sweet, me boy. Why, sweet. Sweet it up in a boy. Why, man, polite, man, ugly. Yeah. First of all, who wanna come in complain? You know, I've been on the date app and I'm happy because I'm in love, you know. I fall in love with somebody, you know, and I'm happy with him. Yeah, he's a nice guy. This white guy, he love black chicks. He love black chicks. You know, I met him on the app. So he said, you know, I like you, you know, you from Africa. I say, yeah, you know, you say sometime you saw in Jamaica. I said, no. Me no, me a Jamaica friend. Me no been to Jamaica, but, you know. So he said, I like my baby to be very dark skinned. And, you know, the first time he see my picture, he was like, no, you're too light. I love everything about you, baby. I'm a million here, but I like it darker. Now, you know, I like my bleaching cream. So, you know, he's coming to pick me up for lunch today. So I have to look. You know, he's a rich guy. He like you very dark. Anyone that have anything black, makeup shadow, anything you're not using, just dump them in a bag and let me get them so I could keep this guy. Because... you know, I have to cover the color. He like it black. I don't know why this white guy like it so black. They like it black. But they treat the black sister well, you know. But they like it very black. Even China want to be black too. Hey, I beat you. No, don't come back here for broken nail. I beat you. You know that. Uno like for me, you don't have to be for me. My nose actually straight when I'm black. When I go light, my nose bigger. When I'm black, my nose smaller. That means, you see, you mess with God creation. Oh. Nose look bigger when you light. Nose look smaller when you black. You see, you bleach to be light, but you put a bigger nose. When you black, you smaller nose. Or the blackness just don't make your nose look big. Why make you black? Black, that's beautiful. You know, people never expect their blackness and respect it. So, you know, I like to, not fun and joke about it. I like. I'm not trying to pretend. I really like being black sometimes. You know, some people don't like to tell the truth. You know, they don't like to be honest about themselves and all of that. I think I had some change in the bag there this morning. Man. But I can't see me through it. I need some, I know smoking is bad for you, but sometimes I go and smoke the cigars. On life, you know. Go in and get your cream, guys. 347-469-374. You know, I'll be at the studio working and spending money and stuff. You know, so call in, purchase your song for 99 cents. And, you know, call in. If you have any problem, we can talk about. And also, if you want to donate something, if you don't want to pay buy the song, or just buy the song and something, you know, it's love. You know, it's only love here. You know, I try to make you guys have a wonderful day, laugh and smile our problems away, and always stress and still believe in God, and God make us to make each other happy and to trust in Him. And that's the reason why I am this kind of way, because if I sit down and let the devil take me over completely, I'm going to be a mean-ass bitch. And I wouldn't know how to use my personality to make people laugh. Sometimes people want you to be a mean-ass bitch. Trust me, they do. Sometimes they do. Don't want you to be that way. You know.
Sometimes they don't. Yeah, it's true. Sometimes they want you to be that way. I mean, they want to, when they get mad with you and start criticizing because they're not happy. Then I love you, and I just hope you find happiness within yourself. And if you have a problem, and try to make yourself happy, because that's what I do. That's what I really do. Yeah. I'm going to the store. Huh? Cause why? Hi, darling. How you doing? Fine, thank you.
Everything good?
Yeah, everything is nice. Yeah. Everybody looking like they never seen, like I don't know what's the problem, They're looking like, I don't know, they never seen nobody. I mean, that's crazy. Black people is everywhere. Why y'all looking like y'all something else? This is weird to show you how the world make up, man. Yeah, that's to show you goodies. How the world make up, man. Hi, babe. How you doing? I love you too. You want to come say hi to the people? You laughing? Why you laughing so much? Why he's laughing so till he can't? Huh? Huh? I look like what? Huh? Yeah, it's nice. Beautiful. He's laughing too much, I know. Yeah, so, hi darling. Everybody's smiling. Make the whole world happy when they look at my face. The whole world is happy and they look at my face. That's why I tell you, Jamaican people know to put curse on people, You know how to do certain things, man. Black magic. And look now, and then the wrong shit. Time blow back on them. Voodoo, voodoo. Like I go and chat. Call it black magic, man. You know this was me? Why you say that?
Because you Instagram famous when every time you stand out here, you see something different.
Every time you see me something different. Right, that's right, baby. That's how life gotta be, Exactly. God bless you. That I know, right? Yeah, I love it too. Okay. Oh. Gaggle them a gaggle. Banana chort gal, gaggle them a gaggle. Thief chort gal, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Gaggle them a gaggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a cackle, them a cackle, them a cackle, them a cackle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a chort, them a play, they go daggle. Gal say she pretty, but me say gaggle, you fi gaggle, you fi gaggle. You like black chicks? Nice chocolate? Don't love people, right? Sorry, man. Much love. White men really get upset, man. I tell you. No love anymore. Smoking a cigarette and get upset and turn him back. Missy. What everybody just looking so you can't just be yourself? This one look like I'm off. Like y'all. I know, beautiful. I look like I'm scared of the things I'm but Walking Dead. Must be so, But what is Lord? You have a good time in Brooklyn. You cannot have a good time in Brooklyn, honey. I need to get on the train and go to a city like this. You can't have a good time in Brooklyn, man. These people are scared. You having an Antarad cigar, the boss? You have Antarad cigar? Entourage cigar. Yeah, give me the box. Is it $6? For $6, give me the box for $6. I don't want to come back to this every time I need one. Give me the box. $6, thank you. How much is the ripe bananas? They're really ripe. How much is the banana? $1 for 3? Yes. Huh? Yes. Okay, I take it. Yeah, I'm gonna take 3 for $1. I should take more than 3, but take them home. 3 not gonna order me. Hold on, try to 3. I'm gonna take the 6. I'm gonna take 6, all right? I'm gonna take 6 because I broke it like that. I don't want to leave it. 2, the 6 there. Oh, all of them is good. Okay, thank you. So it's 7, 6, 7, 8, 12. Correct. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, bro. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Huh? That's how you buy stuff. You tell them 50 cents for one, you know, that's ridiculous. You tell them it's $1 for 3, you make sure you make a price and then tell them. Yes or no, I mean. They're well ripe. You want to keep them till they're not good and throw them out? Enjoy life, yo. Oh. Don't take your life, friend. Want fucking punish you for no reason? Being guilty. I mean, God, you're real free. Tell it free. You're supposed to pay your rent. You know what I mean? It's just wickedness, yo. Huh? You're supposed to pay your rent. Free. You make enough money for a building, you have enough to live in, huh? You help other people, you give them, help them. And that means that they're not going to work. They're going to work and provide for them other family and generation, huh? But if you get them a start in life, or you pay rent every month, you try to reach somewhere. Hi, Mama. How you doing, baby? I'm sure goodie. You want to show goodie look good now? But goodie. How you doing? Good, good. What going on, girl?
Why you not on picking?
I'm on live. I don't live on picking.
I saw you over there.
When?
The last time we were talking about Victoria's Secret.
Must a long time that man. Long before from Utica, from last year sometime. A year before last year, long time, yeah. Good, big up yourself, Mama.
All right, baby.
I love you, yeah. Yeah. You like it, sir? Remember to download the song, Banana Throat Girl song.
Right.
My song. It's a 99 cents to download it. Alright? Alright, baby. Go on, show me. Banana string. Hey, look like Remy. Lad. This is the banana. Make a tree them grow bigger. Banana skin a tree root. Oh yeah. It's so impossible, boy, that I had to leave you behind. Boy, it seems so possible. Never wanna be alone. But my love you give away me, you want a clown. Can't keep on loving you, my heart is falling down. Yeah. You have some boy then call them Western Union. You call some boy them work your body them gonna Western Union. If you come back to America, send them a Western Union. If you're not getting a good work, the boy get a good work, boy can't broke. Just clean out all the cancer from the body. I never tried to implant, but I said no. You want 2 bananas and go on so far. Still have 4 more left in there. You can't go on the street and they're not too dry. Right, baby? You okay, my love? So, I eat them from morning. I say I go sometime. Catch me in the healthy sitting sometime. I get up. If I want egg and bread, I eat or fry a sweet potato or something. If I not that, I eat nothing. Yeah, until later I eat fish and see the eat good last time I eat a whole it. Nobody come back on because so I'm full of my belly and relax. Nobody know about that, man. Just eat up all the food last night. The fun was a fish today. Warm up. I get a couscous and cut up some more salad. You know what I mean? I'm back to now. So tight to fall off. I'm just fat one time. I'm still wearing tight so now I lose weight. The waist come and walk it right all the way down to put it up. Kind of the horse me there. You know what I mean? No. Must I put up stuff in them? I put it so fast. Don't betray them.
Yeah. I'm a change from lady mystery to lady dream, you see me? Yo! I'm in the line now! Troublemaker! Yeah! Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef choke, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them a like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a choke, them a play the good goggle. Girl say they pretty but I know them now happy. Me say goggle them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I back to me say come to the thing. And if it is smelly and I put up with this thing, some girl them a talk but they can't come up. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef choke, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana choke, girl goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Google now your choke, girl, tell me where you find. Catch no man and your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time, but right up me say them a call it time. If I cannot swallow and she can't get a time, get up every day and the damn bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a machine want me goggle. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef choke, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana choke, girl goggle
Once
them
I
a
fall down.
goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk like that man come and them not a one left. When me a talk and they put a them a left. Them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana choke, girl a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body when you have like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle.
She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a choke, them a play the good goggle.
Girl say them pretty but you know them now happen. Me say goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come hide back and me say come do your thing. And if it is smelly and I put your pretty sing some
Girl them a talk, them a goggle, them a goggle. Beef choke, girl them a goggle, them a goggle.
goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl goggle them a goggle. Beef choke, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana choke, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana choke, girl goggle them a goggle.
I really like this look. I'm gonna wear it more often. I really like this look. I don't care when I vex, I'll wear it more often because I like it.
Yeah. I'm a change from lady mystery to lady dream, you feel me? Yo, I'm in there now. Troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty, but you know them not. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I love me say come to the thing. And if it's smelly and I put your producing, some girl them a talk but they can't cover. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man spell at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Goggle like your throat, girl. Tell me what you find. It's not man, I your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me all the time. Right up they say, them a call it time. If I tell her swallow and she can't get a line. Pick up the baby and them damn bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a me she want me goggle. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. And smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a be text it. Goggle in them throat and that a text it. One man come and another one left. When me a talk and the one of them a text it. Them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat, girl a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body when you have like a horse in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good apple. Girl said they pretty, but you know them not apple. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I back, me say come to your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your producing, some girl them a talk, but they can't them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Leave throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle.
Please, bitch. Hello, darling. Now, what with me here? Me look at you on the squad road now. Show up to one so. Run the tune one more time then.
Yeah. I'm a change from Lady Mister to Lady Dream, you feel me? Yo, I'm in there now. Troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty but you know them not apple. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I walk, me say come to the thing. And if it's smelly and I put your producing, some girl them a talk but they can't cover. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Beef throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man spine at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Goggle like your throat, girl, tell me what you find. It's not man, I your up every day, 'cause they can't bad mind. But I goggle them, I goggle. Goggle them, I goggle. Girl inna me face like a me, she want me goggle. Goggle them, I goggle. Goggle them, I goggle. Deep throat, girl them, I goggle them, I goggle. And spider them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them, I goggle. Goggle them, I goggle. Goggle them, I goggle. Goggle them, I goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them, I goggle. Goggle them, I goggle. Them a talk and them want to take set. Goggle in them throat and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When me get talk and them one of them a miss. Them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat, girl, a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good doggle. Girl said them. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man spider them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle.
Wrong one, this sir.
Yeah, I'm change from Lady Mystery to Lady Dream, you see me? Yo, I'm in there, you know. I'm a troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man spider them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good goggle. Girl say they pretty but you know they not happy. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come on the ring. Come I walk, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't come up. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man spider them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Google na your throat, girl, tell me what you find. Catch no man and your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Right up me say, them a call it time. If I get a swallow and she can't get a time, get up every day and the damn bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a me, she want me goggle. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Man spider them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a pump and them a take set. Goggle in them throat, take set. One man come and another one left. When we get talk and the one of them a miss. Them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat, girl a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good doggle. Girl say them pretty but you know they not happy. Me say goggle them, big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come I rock, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk but they can't do my goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat, girl them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle.
yeah. So they're going well. I hope your day is going well. Shut up now. Let them buy it. Yeah, so I love it too. I know. Well, God is great. Another day we rise in sin in this world that you know, money machine that make machine make money and we still don't have enough of it. The damn machine is still working. It's not like it broke down and shit. You know, you only make sufficient for certain people. People are selfish to all that machine for themselves. Why they can't sell the machine? So, if in any case we could just buy one enough to buy it up to, you know, at least buy one at first. Like, make it licensed that you can license it and then like a firearm. You can buy a machine, make money in your house. You know, machine make the money and shit is hard. And it's a piece of paper. Why? Why don't this just destroy the paper then if it's causing so much problem? Just let's live just free. I want to go to Georgia, call the air Jamaica. Hi. Hello. 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 Yeah. Oh, hold on, please. Hold on, please. Damn, is a phone charge? Make money talk about the hold on, please. I need money. Guys, I have to go to the studio again, so, you know, whatever you can do. You know, don't be a hater or a trader. So what you can do. I have to go to the, if I buy the rhythm, man, then go. The next hot song, if I go drop them all again. There you go. I'm going to wait and make money for this one first when I can. Make sure I purchase it. I can't go back in the side because I don't have time to sit down. Okay? Another day when hello I know how you doing, Marlene? Yeah. No. Since I've been in New York and nothing going on, I mean, you know, yeah, I got a bit of fashion since I get here. You got a lot of fashion over here. America got a lot more fashion than England. Yeah, we had more stronger big heel boots, but over here they got a fashion over here. Yeah, I just went and get me some tan. They look beautiful. These white guys like it black, you know. They like it black and pink inside. Yeah, they do. They go all out, baby. They go all out. And you know, they can't last long, but they try because the black of the berry, sweet of the juice. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I know, Marlene. I know. Yeah, I'm just here right now. I'm just chilling. You know, I have a new song that, you know, just like everybody like the song, White, Black, Purple, Blue. And it's called Banana Choke Gal. Banana Choke Gal. Deep Choke Gal. Deep Choke. Yeah, Banana Choke Gal. Gargle, them gargling, you know, it's not water in their throat, it's something else. So that's why they're gargling in something which is not water, which is bad. They gargle, them a gargle it. Yeah, so people really like the sense of it gargling. Some people like it gargling too, so they like gargle. Just like to hear the word gag. It sounds nasty and some people are nasty, so they like it. No, not like the song is, but the way they put it, portray to be. Portray to be, darling. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Great. So great. I'm glad. I'm happy, actually. I'm going back to London next week. Yeah, I'm flying back to Heathrow next week. My boyfriend supposed to pick me up in Heathrow Airport. Yeah. The last time I went there, a couple years ago, I was in America, you know, and that's before I went to England. A lot of things happened, you know. First time I went there, I got locked up, you know. They took my boobs out for drugs. They couldn't find anything. They sent me back. But this time I made it through. London is really nice, but it's not as beautiful as America, you know. London is pretty, yeah, but not like America. London is more old, like old-fashioned, like the old ghosts around. Yeah, but America had more lights and more pretty things and a lot more fashion. Yeah, beautiful things too, but you can tell you. I've been there, you know. Yeah, black is beauty, but some people don't think so. Yeah, some people don't think so, you know. At the end of the day, I go black, I'll be still beautiful. It wouldn't bother me an inch, you know. I keep telling them that. No. I'm not bothered with that guy. That guy's problem. I don't even want my boyfriend to find out that you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, but I'm going on next week. Okay, bitch. I'll talk to you later, bitch. I get things to do, so make sure you go and get the song Banana Throat Gal. Gaggle, they McGaggle. Alright, goggle. You know, some people, you know, they're so nosy and they're so fast and they want to be all up in your business and they don't understand crap. You think they tell you say something else from what you didn't say. Just being a goddamn hater and miserable prank. Yeah, haters. Yeah, but that song is really nice. You know, Google it in your throat and tell me what you find. The bitch is catch a lot of man and she's damn but mine. And they try to stop me all the time. But that's why they don't collect dime. And a bitch had to swallow if she want to get a coin. And okay, go. I'm out of friends calling me. Goodbye. Talk to you later. Bye. Hello? Who this? Putsy Wagwan, girl. I'll lie to you. But I somebody turn call me the chicken back there right now. I'm not lie. I'm not lie, baby. But I eat somebody turn call me on the chicken back there right now. Where that's done cocoa. So what I want with you, I say tattoo done by your leg. You're sitting must look turn up him. I go get some tattoo too, but I'm afraid of the needle, baby. I'm afraid of the needle. I say I can't cure this varicose vein with the tattoo, but trust me, I'm afraid of the needle. That's why I show my leg in my varicose vein and I want to put tattoo on the varicose vein and run on the vein. But guess what? I'm afraid, girl. I'm afraid I can bust out in an infection. You know, my skin funny. That's why I see me show my legs a lot. I have varicose vein. I'm not like jerk curl, let's say right on the leg. Yes, man, from a pregnant at young age 15, the body bust out my tribe. So they come on the varicose vein and bust out. Yes, child. I go on and go on, you know. No, some dog in England next week. Oh, you're the next line, you're my business. Oh, you're so fast, you can't tap into people's conversation. So, girl, you come, so. But so, girl, something, man. Woman can't chat, you see. So, every time I come to the street, I say, England, me day, understand. I'm not going nowhere right or something today. You know that, too? Oh, you're so wicked and time, so bad today, listen all this time. Anyway, I want to go on. No, I'm not smoking about from morning. Gonna catch 2 birds, not 2 choky, do and roast them, and all the sweet meat, put some bird pepper upon them. So what go on in Jamaica? The boy sweet. Hey, tell me something I know about them Jamaican there. I lie. The boy want married to you? Me right to the wall. Well, Jamaica have enough man free there. Not true down there go on in a long time. I don't go down there, you know. Cause my girl, come look on your size. If you can't find somebody ready for marry to you, me must can't find somebody too. Alright? Oh, me say it like that. Me not say it no way. Me not mean nothing, baby. Me if you go and say, how much years you have friend, you know, so me stay. Me I say because you know, when I like say me, you look good, you put your clothes, you look good to me, I take home. But I say your size. When you fall upon one of them man, if you not crush them out, you must can't find somebody too. Me say, man, you know, we have not a hopes now that you find somebody for America a long time. You talk about say this and that, you can't bother the man, have too much problem make it. So I'm kind of glad. Yeah, me have hopes. What? I tell. Me have to do what? Me get all your sons, me come down there. Yeah, make sure I have money and look good. And what? Fly Jamaica. Oh Lord, fly 1-800 Jamaica airline. I want 800 Jamaica airline is me fly. But them not sugar daddy, them not sugar baby. Them not sugar daddy, they're not old and young and pretty. You call them sugar baby them. Then give you sugar but them still a baby. Boy, missus, and if you tell if you make the body part work, listen to me, enjoy your life flawlessly. Yes, ma'am, enjoy your life. And you have the roast breadfruit and a piece of salting and give some of the salting, making them too. Because so it go on a profession. Yes, baby. Boil on a profession and give for them. I want to you. You saw them girls show off. Oh, from around the corner. You see a peerless boo that the girl come to Jamaica in a way. She come and what you claim like she at Mrs. A peerless boo. The girl come in here and show off in her. Sometimes the boot them start to burn and receive. I hear them look like I hear them at get chaos. I show off, she can't show off. One time when she come, I'm the young, I'm a little girl, I used to climb up on the fence, all up on the wall, where the zinc them, the people over, to see what next she have on. And I said, boy, I wish me could have got foreign. And the girl see me, she look at me with scorn, for say me ugly. Yes, and I foot turn side with the PLS boat them. When me know say a PLS, me say she Richie can change them so often. When she come down, me never know, the time I never travel a foreign yet. So how me supposed to know? Who fool? That the girl go and boy, who fool. You know, a fool when Del Rye, you go lay down with Del Rye, where you go lay down with him and make him breathe off and me feel like I buy a shan clinic. Are you fool? Oh, me I go on, then you can't start about fool. Now, call me fool, cause me tell a long time, the devil now go left the pretty girl went off, and you go lay down with me make him breathe and me feel like a clinic. So, who fool, you hear me? Alright then. Well, not do that. If you call me, I go reason, but I can't try. Cause long time we are friend, I'm in a big friend for no girl. You hear me? So just hold the space when people are talk. Me know say me and you talk, but the way you go on. Oh, you mean, oh, you go on? Just relax yourself, man. Yes. If me I got Victoria's Secret. So when you plan to come from Jamaica, 5 months time, you can stay up to 5 months. Because you don't get a citizenship yet. So you stay till 5 months and then come up because you can't stay. Okay. So what you ask about Victoria's Secret for? You want to pick up some panty and sit in for you and some body spray, love spell, and send them come give you give me money. But it ain't easy, so Valentine's are come up. So you want me to go Victoria's Secret, pick up panty and sit in for you and send Jamaica for your Valentine for you. Can you down there with your man? Come on, man, you have to buy sitting down there, my dear child. Me not time, me never know your size. So. Cause remember, so me tell you, say, me no know all your size, no, you lose, 3X. Me know say Victoria's Secret coming at 3X. Me never seen a model in a 3X before up on the runway. Me not disrespect you or nothing good, eh? Me just never know them sell 3X, but I'll check it out for you. Okay, just calm down, nobody can cost me. Oh, you mean so me have one dress with all night front right that you give me two? You not have to go on this, man, just calm yourself, cool down. Yeah. The boy sweet. Boy, me I tell you, like a honey for your tongue. Boy, that must be really sweet because me used to go bush with grandfather, you know. And when he dry the honeycomb, them sweet, bad the sugar just stay up your tongue. That's why the boy sweet are going to cause problem. You almost broke now. Boy, if it's sweet, you go broke completely. If you almost broke now, you go break completely over it. But you love him. He's nice, not true? Yeah. And he cook also. Yeah, man, in Jamaica, they love to cook, brother. They love to cook and feed them woman, one thing with them. And they can't whine no bitch. Girl, once him get up in your gritty bag, you know, you can call it done with. You can't stop loving me, you know. You're going to come on. You make your son come up on a state till you completely have a sense so the man can figure put back juice in him back. Because then when you beat your skin, they know the whole line of juice and come up on him back. You have to go buy him some, when they call it rum and Red Bull. Well, Red Bull no good for you. But you have to give him some trang back, some cheney root, some peanut and Irish mash with some linseed and tree gum. And all them sitting in a green peanut. Yeah, you can put dragon in it. And you can put egg white in it. And you also can buy the conch and then bust you up. Beat it to the hammer, make it boil. And after it boil, you blend that completely to the cream out. And put it with the peanut. And put it with the linseed and the gum. And put it with the dragon and the egg. And beat everything. And build him back, make him back stay strong. If you don't make him back stay strong, my dear child, I don't know how you're going to get exercise because you're not a drag, you're not doing nothing. That's the only way you lift your legs. Yeah, me know. Well, master, you have to care. You can't. A bucket of KFC you don't eat already a while ago. But good, you cannot do that, man. You don't on vacation, even though they with you. You not be kind of love you like how you love you good. You not have to put on more weight so till you can't walk. Yeah, laugh, saying Kevin, hold up your head, your leg in a position. Come on, man. And a laughing matter that thing can't hold up your leg, them if you have to drop them down, man. That's not good. You must be able to hold them up like, hold them on like 2 pieces of stick. Hold on upon them. Eh? The chicken sweet too. Me understand, but you have to slow down. Yeah? Me there, catch fly. Yes, master. When me say that, means I don't want to figure nobody. I beg a thing right. Not now go on. And I just bust a new song, Banana Throat. Me wait for if X go out and so, but not now come inside my thing, you know. Yeah. Me go fly 1-800 Jamaica too. So me can find one sweet boy, sugar baby them. A sugar baby you call them. Because them, well, if you're older than him and he younger than you, and you give him money, and he must steer the engine right, that means he's a sugar baby. You don't know the difference, sugar baby from sugar daddy. Sugar daddy is the old one who is older than you. The one who is younger than you and then cute and pretty and them are wine. You like they have a body machine. And them are the sugar baby. But the sugar baby, them always so sweet, boy. Sugar baby, them sweet and mother's content, boy. When them sugar baby, they start to work, you see, girl, they get up inside the tripe and clean up the instrument. Ah, you see what I'm saying? You know, whole days now you're going to breed, girl? Oh, cocoa sweet, you girl. I tell you, man, I tell you about them sconters, they boy. They never learn, boy. They never learn at all, eh? Trinidad, big up yourself, eh? I tell you. Trinidad, I have something black and pink inside for you, you know. Yes, something that make your belch big, your stomach burp. They say the blacker the berry I want, the sweeter the goddamn juice. I love it too. Yes, they talk to me. So you want, I saw you come, I love everybody, you know, but sometimes I have to expel. Them sconters don't have no sense, man. When I hear them boys small, so they have a big mouth, you know. They small, so. Their mouth bigger than their size, oh. Yeah, I hate when the man, they push it small so they tickle the body. The sconters tickle, you know. You don't feel nothing like a tickle, like you want to laugh. You say, what the hell is going on here? You don't want that. When you fly 1-800 to Jamaica, you ain't going to get tickled. You're going to get fickle. I am telling you, you're sure to get a good time in Jamaica. Jamaica is one little island. Me can tell us the man them sweet. Child, and them work hard. When you hear them work, you know, they have natural water and oil coming off them back like crab. And that's why I call them the Heil back. You hear the song said, come goody, come do your thing. Come from a ring. Come Heil back. And come do your thing. So you see, even the Banana Throat girl is telling you that the Heil back, them nah left out. Because some of them spit so damn sweet, it's like you'd kill yourself for them. Them scunt, they're too sweet, boy. It's too sweet, bye. When you go online with them, boy, you know. And I tell you, jack you up like a whole car, we can't move, girl. You feel all the muscle them wake up in your body, all the hair start to grow to your goddamn scalp longer, you know. You say, boy, what is cunt you put on me? The boy put something in your skunt, you see. And reel up that skunt, boy, and let it go like a kite in the sky. Me say, boy. Them Jamaican boy not play, you know. They not play at all, boy, yo. I used to have one from Point in Trinidad, but he nyam like he nyamming fish. All he do is nyamming damn mouth wetty, and nyam wetty, goddamn mouth. But the Jamaican, them not play that too much so, you know. For him go take a bite of fish in a sandwich, they know, you know. You have to know you're well good and you're alone and know everything Chris and Curry. All when him know what that him don't want to touch it with the tip of him tongue, you know. Them funny no caca hole. But they will ram out your ram goat. Hey, the Jamaican them will ram out your ram goat, you know. When I say like a ram goat, they ram out your goat, boy. You walk with your belly paining like you're going to give birth and not a child in there. Oh yes. They ram out your belly, man. When you hear them Jamaican ram, they get so bad with the high on them back and the ram, them start to and them jump and them get inside. Why? It's a hard one if you get them off your back, you know. You're pulling and you're slamming, you get up sometime. I remember one time, you know. I got one of them Jamaican ram fresh in America. Oh, child. Like I tell you about in Sconte. That boy was fresh in America. I tell you. When the Scontas boy hold me and put me there, you know. I said, you know what, girl? I got to get off them goddamn knees because I feel like them damn knees was already rubbed off and the skin was already gone. And remind you, him never let go for 1 inch of my dear life. I tell you, this contest boy, I get up and walking around, you know. And the boy buckle himself from the back and hook on. And I walking on 2 foot and the boy was still jamming and joking in position, hanging on my back. I fighting to get the boy off my back. And he's skinny, so him lapping body around me like a serpent. Child, I will never stop love that boy. Yes, Mrs. Kakafat, don't come now. Don't come now, child. Wait a bit. Yes, so that is what really happened. The boy put me down to sleep in green pastures. Them scunt no easy, you know. But the Jamaican, them sweet. If you want your bank book to empty, if you want your belly to hurt you, if you're going to take one of them sugar baby, make sure you have money for house and car and everything. So sugar baby, they close. But if you go have sugar baby, you better live a Western Union and live on the phone and prepare your rasta ball. The better you save all the money till you have enough to buy the whole sugar baby. Instead of giving peace. Because when he catch you, you know, and he put the sweetness disease by you, your heart is going to be in shambles. You better have house and car, girl, before you take sugar baby. Make sure you have property down there. Make sure you have business down there. Make sure you have everything so you keep him close and can't go nowhere because you have everything. But someone wanna go on a big old saggy skin. Go dash it on the sugar baby, them hoping night, a skip rope night, cause some of them big, you know. Sugar baby, them say, no, sugar no in this. Them try to beat it 1 and 2 times and kick 2 football in it. And them end up get a little money to Western Union, but the money not did they for house and land. So then take time till them stray like stray dog. Because they're looking for more sugars because they're sugar babies. So remember, before no cut me style and grudge me, and don't want to see me go the extra miles, I wanted to know the sugar baby, my Jamaica sweet. Them catch me already, one of them. He was driving cars. He was living the biggest life in Jamaica. And he also by himself to London out of my pocket and leave me with nothing. You have deadly sugar babies. You have good sugar babies. You have good sugar babies that love ladies. And you have bad sugar babies. You also have dreadlock sugar babies. Rastafari Selassie son, you know you're eating fish sometimes, you know. So, some of them say, no, when I eat pork, man, I dread. You know them like to deny. When I eat pork, man, I dread. Well, when them whitey come to Jamaica there, and the whitey, them want the sugar stick, you know. They want the cane. And they go to the dread and say, listen, Rastafari, I just come, Jamaica. I give you this money. So, okay, no problem. Rasta inside, if you climb the tree and look through the window, you say, Rasta, I eat fish and pork. Rasta, I get down, you're going to see dreadlocks till I go left to right to center. But if you knock on the door, Rasta come on the door and say, hey, so that's the son. You make us come up in smoke pipe, weed pipe and run to the door like Wagwan Virgin. But if you climb the tree before him come down, before you knock on that door, you see. Let no one fool you what the eyes can see, the ears can hear. Well. Big up yourself, Beanie Man. Well, oh, child. And you know, Jamaicans. We are true Jamaicans with love and respect and honor to everybody else. And we are all so thankful to be in America. And Donald, not looking so good for you. And I love you. And all people. And Jamaican and sweet. Yeah. Oh, God. I really want to cry, man. It's sweet. Not get no more. No more. So long, Lord. Oh, what am I doing wrong if I put it this way? It's wrong, man. Long when I get that. More than 2 years now, me not get no Jamaica sugar baby them. Me left Jamaica from 2001 again, me not get no more sugar baby. And me find one little piece of one from Vinci, but him not sugar. And me have to live now. Me there. Oh Lord. That a mad me in the aisle of my back. I have a paint up so white. That mad me to rise the aisle of my back, I sleep with me eye them can't see, man. Fuck. Wickedness. America, you live here. You know, you're in prison in this country. I want to go home. Sugar babies. And them sugar babies sweet but expensive, my. So live at Western Union. Should not cry now, should not drive now, I'm going to stand up on the line. Feel ashamed like you're a person. Like you're a big woman, you know what I mean? Like a fucking child. Well, I get loud because I sit in the street. You're like, yeah, I get loud by you, like, you know what I mean? Like, damn, it's my stuff I give you too. When black woman cry, they're still beautiful, you know what I mean? Because you can now see the tears, and I could see it before. But now you can. You can. You sure can do, baby boo. Yeah. You know, I just cry because, I just cry for body once in a while. It's not a lot of times I do, but I know I come clean. Yeah, So Jamaican baby, them sweet. The boy, them strong, them hard, them shine, them long. And the darkness, I can't see the shyness. Hey. You want to see something strong and hard and shine in the darkness from far. You see one piece of stick shine like a black metal stand up. That's what sugar babies them have. So I advise you, don't go piece of like what I did. Them take everything I may have. And me gone back a zero. Make sure you have house, car, and everything and business. That me a yard upon him like the clock. And anytime I do it, I let out the bad dog out of the backyard upon him. Keep a set of bad pit bull now and fence sitting. And when he do wrong and realize, say, now go work out, you let out them upon him. But otherwise from that, can't root up my body again. I go jail around 10 times and I root up not a soul. Not a soul, I not root up. You like the lipstick, I know, and the eye color, I know you love it. Bought at Macy's, it's $49. If I taste it, it's like pure sugar, so I don't want to taste it in my mouth. Oh, you're gonna go now? No, don't go. Stay on it till the show finish. Don't hang up. Don't hang up. Don't hang up, girl. Let's talk about sugar baby. I just get breakdown and cry. It's hard to remember how sweet it was. Sorry about that. I apologize. Go ahead and talk. Oh, buy one t-shirt But now, so everybody tell me one time too. Buy $2.5 t-shirt I'm gonna sale up here. And carry them gonna gift for them. And then you change your number when you got the hotel and the work, you go to change your number when you're done. So then you can reach up on the phone again. What's a phone app number you have to use? Like you're so wicked, don't do that, man. Boy, you go and have a good time, you go for from where? Pass what Michelle on the phone, come know what you talk about. See you good on there with who this? Oh? Nikki? Nikki who? Nikki Chromes? You? Hi, Nikki. Chrome White? Yeah. I know. I do cream too. By tomorrow, you white. My cream work fast. You see me dark like this now, tomorrow I'm light. Yeah. Big up yourself, Nikki Crumbs. Yeah, big up mama, much love. Yeah. Them sweet. I know. I know, girl. Let me call you. Yeah, that's people take a call. Me talk to the other girl. Yeah. Alright, bye. Hello, who is? No, man, don't do that, Marcia. Don't do that. Do not go on Facebook and fake and talk about me dirty and stuff. Where are them something for? I don't see how I get bust, my girl. I say get two you, let me get head one time with you know, you forgot that? I told me get head one time in your mouth, you know, brush your teeth. Yo, girl, don't piss me off and call my phone and bullshit you again. You hear me tell her? Do not do it. You can't get somebody head, two of them head one time, same time. You're too nasty, man. Move fire, so. Come run up a blow one more. Come call my phone. You hear me tell her? Right on out order. So I'm not bother with friends sometimes, you know, because sometimes you get lonely, you have to talk to them. But this is the kind of stuff that happens. I found my dream and Blueberry Hill and Blueberry Hill. That moon stays still. The moon stays still. And Blueberry Hill and Blueberry Hill. Do. Oh, if I should stay, I would only be your way. So I'll go. But I know I shouldn't sell my soul in the step of the way. But what I did sell my soul. God damn. I know life treats you kind, and I hope you had to dream low, and I'm wishing you joy and happiness. And above all this, I wish you love. And I can't sing. I can't sing. I can't sing. Stand up. Banana, I'm a throat. banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Muggle them a muggle man a muggle throat muggle. Got one big messed up on that song. You see, I gotta buy the rhythm over again because purchase the rhythm at the load for only 10 years, which is me want to forever. I never know the option. I think about it, I said, well, why? To myself, the different price. I'm gonna go back and ask James, and no, I get that one. I was like, no, I want the one forever. Why would I want it not forever? So, let me go buy the rhythm again. I know a different version. It's a longer one. Something. You don't know shit. And you don't know stuff, you don't know. That's what life is. Nowadays, you don't open your leg, it's like your leg is like Google inside your leg. You don't open your leg, niggas don't get information. Niggas want to Google you to get the information to give to you, my nigga, the same way. They got to go up inside, Google you, then they get the information. Otherwise, Google ain't working that much. That information is not, because, you know. Yes, Shawnette? Good afternoon, Sean. Which one you want? The celebrity, one celebrity white, and what else? The carrot? The carrot. Okay, you call Jay already? Okay, so you usually call, you paying to him? Right, so call him, right? Or you want me to call him and tell him to call you? Huh? Yeah. No, sir, you bought celebrity white and care. That's the same thing you want that you bought the last time, right? Yeah, may I have that. All right, mama? You know how much the same amount you paid the last time? All right, so let me get off this thing and then call you back. All right, I get off it now and call you back. All right. Go there, I'ma go, because this is business. The customer ordered before, so they want stuff. So let me deal with that. I'll get back on to you. I love you. Please understand, because I have to be in the studio soon again, and I need, money for my stuff. I love you guys. I don't find enjoyment in anything else more than music and what I do. So if I can make somebody happy, it's more power to me, because some days can be really down and out, and you just feel like the world is not going nowhere. You feel like everything you're trying, you're like not getting nowhere. It's like you're on 1,000 miles and you get to 1 mile. So life is like that, especially all the bills you got to pay, get up to go to work, the hustling of losing a job, after hustle to find another one, and sometimes it's not easy to find another job. People have a lot of stress. Sometimes you wake up sometime, if you don't have good sense or good mind to think, you kill yourself. So, if you can come on and make somebody look forward to take a laugh and not so stressed until they could get something done with them or do whatever, get a job or whatever could work out for them. Or if somebody have a close friend and you really love them and you have a living room with 2 pieces of old dirty couch in the living room, take it out and put it outside and get the person in the living room. You have a good friend in a problem, but I tell him, say, boy, somebody in the room is son in the next room, in a one room, and but you is a good friend and person to look out for. You don't do that. Because you can die tomorrow and leave every fucking thing. Excuse my language. You take out where you have in the living room, if you have to put an old couch and sitting, take them shits and put them outside and give the woman the living room, make her kids them make she come live in there. But to put door upon it and make it into a room. Right? Some landlord don't want to put nothing in there. Well, put something by furniture, put curtain or whatever running around, and so it go. When they know a family member here come in and whatever, if they want to charge, like $100 upon the rent or what they want to charge, you pay that and them out a door. You know what I say? Some people, they have papers for going to the shelter. They want this, they want that for your apartment. You know what I mean? Take out that shit, it's all dirty couch out of the freaking living room, and that shit when I talk about living room, have space. West Indies people are the first people. May I come, lady? May I come? She go to her. Me call her. West Indies people are the first. Because she buy all the time. She buy before, she's going to get the stuff. And she's not going to get it, So, West Indies people are the first people, enough girls say come America here. And then they come here, Then go rent a whole big apartment, big living room, kitchen, bathroom, different living room sitting and them hook it up with spend much money. I sleep with much man if you get the furniture them for put in it. For meet up to the rent every month, them head a bus. Plus they want the most expensive Indian ear, the most expensive Suzuka party at weekend time. They want to drink the biggest backlash champagne at weekend time. You know, and when people see them and say, well, we are going to America, this may have since me come here, and I pay this big ass amount of money I rent, all $1,500 a month, $1,000 up in a rent. That time at Jamaica, then they have a piece of land, then they have a good house, catch up at Jamaica. They gave me help them people in house broke down and sitting and can't do it because I have to make up to buy the hot clothes when they want and pay the rent up here. When they could have take the same place when they have and make a next friend come live there in the living room and make that into one room. Since you don't want to share a lot of people and my friends. Get the living room and make a friend come live there with it. Two and share the rent. Two and can share part of money if you do something with differently. You understand? But no, you don't want the whole thing. You say, I can't live with me. And this, but you still keep girlfriend. You still keep me come over on the house and hang out the whole fucking day. Them still come on the house the whole shocking time when I cook, when I dress, when I go together. But you have the big old place lock up there. Some of them gone for living job. You go come in once in a while in a big old apartment like me good you can. But so good you can't do that. You're paying almost $1,500 a month. You come home once a month for 1 day, you go back home. That don't make no sense. You're wasting money. Just went to like a small room if that's the case, like something small. So you don't come in, you can't be in and go back for your work for most of your work time you're depend. But no, they want to show off, man. Look what she have all when I talk about me. Look at what she there. She a celebrity. Me no worry about that. Me no worry about celebrity. You understand? Man celebrity no mean nothing for no God celebrity. Don't mean crap. You understand? Me not frightened for name celebrity. Can you see me up Hollywood and send my soul? You not see nobody, you not see me like that. Me just like everybody else I try to live something off you out there sucking you know what. I just try to live a clean life and try to make a talent and behave myself and pray to God and just humble. So when I see me come by here and laugh and a joke, you know, if make a nice day happy, make one happy and just realize that's what life really is. It's just what it is. Don't expect too much. It's just what it is. You go with your faith, you try to make the best you can make out of your life, do what you like and put yourself out there. But you can't get things done before the time that you can done. You drive you mad. You also can't watch your people have and go kill yourself you get the same thing. Not everybody have the same luck. And when some people do forget things, you will never do it. So you can't watch what them get. Watch how you feel in your heart and how happy you can make yourself each and every day. That is the most important. It's better than $1 million. It's better than $1 trillion. Make yourself happy every day. That is the most important things you can do. Make your children happy. Try to be nice to your husband and your boyfriend. Even if you know, can the devil temper something that's one, then come and talk certain way to you and disrespect you, just want to mash off piece of them face, you know. But you have to know, so wait, a prison work that, you know, I want to see my children. I'm going to end up in a prison for a long time. They're going to deport me back where I come from. Just making just go on. There's other ways to deal with ignorant people. Just avoid them as much as you can. You understand? If you don't have to speak to them, don't speak to them. Can't find somebody disrespecting you, talking to them. If you don't have to speak to them, do not speak to them. Because the more you speak to them and they insult you, the more they think they have a right to insult you and make them think say you're a damn fool because you continue talking. So stop. Simple. You understand? That's how I look at life. I love life. I like to enjoy life. I put this on my face. I was just here and it just comes up to me. Just do this as fun. Just like that. I lost my spirit stay. And I said that'd be nice because I haven't seen myself black in a long time because you know I do the cream. Because I know when I finish, I could go up in the shower and wash it off. It's just makeup, eyeshadow, black eyeshadow. You know? It's about life and to be different. You don't want to be the same every time you come on camera. You don't want to be the same character. It's good to be different and funny. People want to laugh. People want to see something different. You cannot be an actress or a comedian and you expect to come on well doll up on the way people they want you to look. Look the way you want to look that you think would make people laugh, they think would give them joy. And it's funny. And it's also a different video. You know, it's quite different from the rest. And be yourself. Don't be afraid that people are going to criticize you because you're this or you're that. Don't care. Who cares who criticizes? The ones who criticize, what are they doing for you? Whether they criticize you or not, what is it doing for you? Right? Is they making your life better? Is they making your life? It doesn't do nothing to you, so just ignore them. Because some people, the best thing you can do is ignore them. It's best to embarrass people that ignore them than actually arguing with them, toe-to-toe with them, make them feel like they're important, or make them feel like they're eating a spot in you, or they feel like they get your attention. Never let them get your attention. Ignore them. They're not important in your life. When you're trying to do what you got to do and people are trying to bring it on, you ignore them. They're not important. And the reason why they're not important because they wasn't important enough for themselves. So if they're not important enough for themselves, and are they going to be important for you because you are important for yourself and you know what you want out of life for yourself, but it's still in confusion. They're still backing down because they're afraid to come to the light. But when they see you come to the light, they want to put you into the dark. So all you can say, let them stay in the dark and you stay in the light. You cannot go down in the dark with them and toe-to-toe with them, confronting with them out. A lot of people come in here run off their mouth because they're looking for a boss. They want me to call their name. They want to do this and they want to do that because they can't go take some stuff and put in their face and be like that. They're afraid to be like this. Someone's going to say they're ugly, so they're going to this, and they're afraid to hear that name. But I'm not afraid of that. Because God never created anything you call ugly. Right? It's just world, this thing made up of ugly. All these names, the world made it up. Right? What you think is ugly is a beautiful thing to somebody else. Right? That's just how the life is. So if you're not with yourself and brave enough and love yourself and love your own personality and who you are, people is going to drag you down. People is going to try to go toe-to-toe with you. Let me see what you made out of. Let me see if I could get her attention. I used to talk, but I stopped. I stopped doing all them nonsense. I don't answer back to people no more and all them crap. You give them too much of power. Let them go sit in the corner. Why you going to pay the dog keep barking? You feel the dog. And you know the dog ain't hungry. The dog keep barking. You just have to ignore the dog. Because you know the dog is fed. But the dog just want to make noise. If the dog wants to make noise, let the dog make noise. It's a free world. You don't have to go over there and shut up the dog. You know the dog belly is full because you feed the dog. Basically. That's how that works. Okay? And people that hate you, they really love you. And people that really hate you, they admire you. And they cannot be you. So the best thing is to hate you because your success is more powerful than their success in life. Some of them is doing video like you and nobody likes the video. So they will come on your video and give you 8 because they couldn't make it. Their mind wasn't good enough. Their mind wasn't strong enough. And because of that, they lose it because they wasn't good from day one and people can see through them. So now they come on my video because people likes me to try to pull me down because they never make it. Well, honey, I'm sorry. Rewind and come again. I'm not the one that never like you. I like everybody. It's just you never like yourself enough for anyone to like you. So your personality is telling the people, look, I'm a bitch. You know, I have to do everything perfect. I have to lie to social media that I don't wipe my ass with tissue. You know, I have to lie to them that I don't even fart. I don't even use the toilet. I have to lie to social media that my mouth never stinks and I never brush my teeth. You know, I have to lie to them about everything and to be this perfect dolly that made out of plastic that never poop. And people are tired of it because people go to the bathroom and they shit and it stinks and they know and they fart. So when you come on social media and act like you all this and you don't this and you don't that, people couldn't see right through you. Like, honey, take a glass, take a stone and throw in that damn glass house and break it. That glass house is not right, honey. I'm seeing right through that shit. Take a stone and throw right through that damn glass house and broke it. But when people take a stone and throw at me, the stone boom back. They realize this glass is not going to broke. This is real. This is some real damn glass. You can see right through it and everything about it is real. So you don't need to throw a stone to broke it because it cannot be broken. So I just want you guys to know that. All right? I love you. God bless you. And I'm come on later again. And we're going to talk about a lot more different things. Sorry for the one that your hearts are broken. Sorry for the one that I can't make you happy. I apologize that I cannot make you happy. I'm really sorry that I couldn't. I try to make myself happy and you guys happy until the end of time. God is really coming. You see the earthquake shake. And when earthquake shake in America, it's not going to be so nice. And it's coming, y'all. It's coming. Live your life. Be joyful. And just be joyful as much as you can. I'm not a Christian, but I'm a strong believer. I want to believe. If you die in sin, you still get peace. So I love you. God bless you. Don't be a hater. Don't be a bad mind. Go over there and download the song. It's only 99 cents. A couple people do already. So I keep going. It said by 1 week, you get an iTunes and the other place take a time to fit in all of them. So I don't know if you get on there yet because of the ask and find out information, as you know. And so on. But God bless you and thank you. I thank God for my knowledge. And I love the song. Everybody like the song. It's make you dance. It's nice. And it's a good thing, you know, to show that, like, you know, all this time I've been in the studio how much years. And I have around maybe like 35, 40 songs left in the studio that you guys never heard before. And plus I've done the album, and the album was just wiped clean. There's no songs on the album. They play it after a while and there's nothing left on it. Just wiped clean. And it makes me feel like I waste my time in the studio all this time, but it also taught me a lot. You know, because I know that any rhythm I'm going to use, I'm going to purchase it myself. Because I never have anything on iTunes or even CD Baby and all them places before. Ever since I'm doing song. And since I'm managing myself, the first song I do is already out there. Since I'm managing myself. The first song I did already out there since I'm managing myself in less than a week. So sometimes you're working with people is not always, you know, it's good to learn and know, and you can take it from there. You know, because look at all these songs. There was 19 songs on that time, and not even one of them. Not even one. You know? And this is the first one I did, and I was able to because I paid for my rhythm. So I was licensed, rhythm license, and everything. If we know that's how it was going to be, so I wouldn't even bother with it. Trust me. I would have to just go and buy the rhythm from day one. You know, but it's good because I don't owe nobody nothing at the end of the day that I learned and I know what to do now. And I can produce my own music, helping myself. And later on in life, when things get better and bigger, then I get somebody else to help me for other things that I got to do. But at least I know when it comes to me, the music, what rhythm I want and how to get my rhythms. I also have somebody going to build rhythm for me. But it's like about 50 to build one from scratch just for me and so on. And, you know, I love you guys. God bless you. Have a good one. You know, be yourself. Be funny. Be entertaining. And don't worry about people, how they feel, you know, when you do your stuff. Black is beauty. I feel very beautiful like this. I'm sorry. Black is beauty. So when I say the big deal, it's not funny to put the black because it's beautiful. It's not like something wrong with it. You know, a lot of black ladies like this on YouTube and they look so pretty. So nothing wrong with black. I can go light and I can go black anytime. And that's the most important thing. Yeah, you know, in life, it's funny, you know. What I like about life when people say you're mad. Yes, I'm mad. But I have madder people watching me. Okay? If you're going to complain that somebody's crazy and they're mad, but you spend time watching them, who's the crazy one? You call it comedian, darling. You don't call it banana throat, darling. You call it comedian. When you're watching comedian talk all kind of crap, you think they're mad? No. Just making people laugh because you're a comedian. You're an actress. When you put on certain things and funny things and looking things where people laugh, because you're an actress. That's what you do. You're acting. You're making people laugh. You're joying. Not like y'all big deep banana throat bitches that have all this banana on your damn throat smell like a rotten kernel. You know what I mean? It's not like that. So, you know, I'm just doing clean work and I thank God. You know, many of you couldn't do this. You know, and be yourself. Right, Miss Cuckaford? Right? Right, Miss Cuckaford, say something. Child, I tell you them, girl, you know. I don't want to bother with them scunt at all, you know. Because when I tell them about themselves, them never like it. Them never like it. Sometimes Miss Cuckaford, when you see me spirit coming through the wall, the old lady spirit on the wall there. When you see her coming through the wall, and come inside the room, uno start take picture of the wall, and uno start mark it out in a circle. Me say, oh no, me can't say, oh no. Uno start send it to each other, and talk about, say, ghost over here, and how somebody said, Duppy pa Olivet. But let me tell you something, and me uno see, in the wall, I come true. When you know things in a peace and safety, a sudden destruction and a cock a hole when the mess with Olivet. Olivet is a humble child. From she was born to be a star. That child born to be a star. When she little bit, girl could have drink any hot caramel porridge and steam fly out she nose like a peanut steamer. Everybody used to wait and see if she go drink off the whole big pot of caramel porridge in the sun hot. Child, that girl Olivet, she take the big pot of caramel porridge, you see, and she sit down in the front of the yard on the lawn, you see, And when the girl drink the caramel porridge, a piece steam a fly out her nose like her body was cooling it in the inside. Every time she sip the porridge, she take it so damn fast, I don't know how her inside, no bono. And she sucked on the whole big pot of porridge and all the steam flying through her nostril. And she sit down there and drinking at the sun until she done. Sometime when her brother used to pass Pankang bus, and he one day with the little girl there, he take hose and beat her. And say, no come back out here, look dirty. Your frock have hole in it. And you sit down upon lawn and drink the whole pot of caramel porridge. And I embarrass me when the bus a pass. Child, and me fi tell you the condition of them people. Some of them wicked they call family, you know. All the mama were birth me. Like she never liked me. My papa must lie to her. I put her crutches up for gamble. My papa put my mama crutches up for gamble. Yes, ma'am. Why you doing like me and my papa? And you doing like my sister? But I tell you what, I forgive you because you are my mama and I love you. Go on and be yourself. I see you in heaven. Because you're not going to see me on earth again. The last time you cussed me drunk, you could have picked me up and fly away. Why me I tell her Miss Kaka fart me feel it. Child, your mama cuss you like dog. Me hear the last time. And you never know she was going to cuss you like dog, so. Wait upon life, she say you take man, and you have skull in your belly. And you dash your belly and you skull belly. Girl, your papa never good. I don't know what dead people and earth people. Well, I leave it. I don't know if your mama hope you're from you're young. She could have hope you know, and tie up your life because she didn't like you from your little bit. And that's why your brother used to stroke your skunt, girl. That's why your brother used to stroke your skunt and your mama do nothing about your brother. Your brother stroking your skunt to the big old thing. And you lick up it, you bust up your little skunt. Your mama do nothing to help you. That's because she never loved you. You see, but you're blind. You was like Cinderella in glass slippers, man. You have too much love, you see. Your mama ain't care for you until when you make your first Facebook check. Boy, you turn star in America. Run gone over the gas spend over almost $1,500 just to find out a couple days later the woman cuss you and tell you she don't like you. And she would even refund the $2 and knows you're not nothing especially your gas steward, you know. Why I tell your child I suck life go, you know. Where do you see what my sister make lad for year from her? Years me not hear from the little girl. The little black girl. Years me not hear from the little black girl. The last time I knew her, she was the same complexion as me now. And I don't know what the problem with her. Last time I called me, I have no problem with her, you know. She started telling me. She do when you want come on the shop, come break. Me say, no, I send me like a Robbins. I would never send Robbins to black people. Why not? Everybody wants to the same color while you want to change your complexion a bit sometime. And in Galang start to tell me, I start to disrespect. Yeta, so I say, wait, yeah, yeta to just like your mama on no Galang, nobody call me back. Me go and take have a good life. Because you see what happened? You can't carry the donkey down a river, you know. And you can't carry the cow. Or you can't carry the horse. But when you carry down a river, you can't force them to drink it, you know. No, child, you can't force. You can't force the horse to drink the water. And you can't force the donkey neither. They have to drink it on their own. So if you drag them down there, they not drink it, then just not drink it. So whosoever they pan, you want to complain about my complexion and say me mad. Me mad forget $1 and sanity in America. Because I won't go back to Jamaica. Got just 1 pound of chicken back and Big July Island, 1/4 pound of salt mackerel and 1/2 pound of flour. America is here with the social media to do anything you want and try to lick it till it bust and make $1 from it. Remember, go to YouTube and subscribe to me. Because I'm going to come back and later make you happy if you subscribe to me. All right. Now come America and Babylon left me sweet Jamaica, me roast breadfruit and me mango and me sinting them. And come here. Come catch man and catch fly. No, no, no. Whatever I have to do, I will blast it do. You call me mad, you call me sad, but American dollars, this a girl I must have. Flying back to 1-800 Jamaica to them sugar baby. I need to have my money so I can get good service. Me no know about you. Hello. When Patuan no more no. When Patuan no more no. And me fi tell you, me have to have money because the whole lie down the long time like alligator sleep. Anybody gonna die alligator about it? I bite, me I go bite. So you what? If you have money for the zoo, me love you no. And me go and take me time and walk good. This a girl yeah? A goal him have to have goal. A goal him have to have forgive me. Goal, peer pata goal. Bad man and parasite. Be careful when you come take a flight. You come to address me. This is not dopey night. I wouldn't want to come frightened. Tell them say I know me. Cause when me talk out of my throat, no banana no gag me up so you know me talk free. Love is the answer. Somebody please pass me the key. My heart is loving also my heart is free. God create heaven and earth and paradise our destiny. But man come and take it up and charge with this holy fee. Them know why your mind and spirit to be free to talk, to laugh. Just like these bitches, they hate me so much them groaning like a rolling calf. Jamaica, me love you. That's where I'm from. Portland, Jamaica, when you have enough yam. Roast banana and plantain. Run down tin mackerel. Callaloo steam down in a coconut juice and roast fish. You don't talk about life, you know. Because if you don't know Jamaica, you'll never get a good dish. No, long time me attack. Excuse me, miss, you ask me not kiss. When me attack the truth and speaking lyrics, go sit down, bitch. You know what you been kiss? Me come America, pretty and black, where all these white men run me down with them big hard. I'm still alive, refuse. Pain lick me so till me cry. Me never know so America could have so hard. Till when me cry, snow farm on me eye. When the landlord come, and the man say, who? Me say, why you at me door? Him just drill off the lock and said, I'm the marshal for sure. Girl, when them take the key, and you know why I open the door, them soft the door in your hand, that's for sure. This is not Jamaica where you son out a door, where you can't go sleep. This is a place where when you cold, you sure enough need some eat. Then if you go gaggle on the roadside, you go sit down and sleep. Me now come America, come tie my belly and weep. Lick me put together and then me eat. But me have to make my music hit the street. Because me have to get money more than what me need to eat. So me can help some people not to be in the street. Jamaica, me love you no bad. But this a one girl here, come America. Me no come sit down and be sad. Me a do what me have to do. Cause the pound of chicken back on the tin mackerel. If you go trust on a master shop. When I do have the money for pay a master, I come with him big long. You know what? No, sir. Big to the aisle. And then the aisle ain't even good for you. Them have soybean oil, poison oil. And when they done, then come a foreign and talk about them nice and how them hot. But some girl wanna suck too much banana. No, someone who suck the banana on the door use no cap. But as you see me come on screen, the mouth full up a chat. Me a beat this like a drum and make it knock. Cause when me go back to Jamaica, me sit relax and flat. Make the sea breeze cool me off, no? Like a salt water. White sun on the beach. With my pretty white feet. No worry about me in a Brooklyn. Pan looking mad pan the street. Or crazy pan the camera. Because of the look I bring the heat. Some man is so pretty you get one view. But if you're ugly like this, you sure if you get a eat. More if you get money. And your body them a kiss. Them no brave, them no have style and stigma. Them sit on one way talk about you ugly and a worry. And when them draw a steer, and you see the ugly face a steer out by you, you say, Kira, let me get out of here. Anyway, girl, me no want you no sad. Make yourself happy and praise to God. Thank God for the little bit by your plate and the food where you have. Eat and hug up your man. And thanks to God. Listen to me, child. All them come beat you and call you ugly. Your face not hot you. Your body not hot you. But them mind not hot them. Then get up every day and worry about you. How you ugly, how you fat and how you tan. And you realize it a bother them, but it not bother your man. Hey, child, make me go and go say me can cut the blue and cut $2. So me can go up on the mic and holler. Remember, deep throat girl do one bother swallow. Me love you no. Mwah, later.